Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can simply connect your Denon headphones to MacBook. First of all, you have to take a look for the right headphone and you have to find these buttons. So we have to click and hold this middle button, that's the play and the pause button, until this indicator right here starts blinking quickly white. So let's do this right now. Click and hold it. Take a look for this indicator, keep holding. Right now we can release, as you can see the indicator is blinking. Put them close to your MacBook and then simply go to the settings. Open Bluetooth, click on the switcher, select Denon headphones, click connect, and right now go for the sound settings. Take a look for the input and the output and be sure that the Denon headphones are selected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.